Hi, sweetheart. Hi. Oh, you got the hiccups. Uh-oh, you got the hiccups. That's funny. Sweetheart. Hi. What are you trying to do? You trying to get out of there? She got the hiccups.
That's a long time, huh?
It's okay. Hi, Daddy. You want to scare her, Daddy?
No.
Scare her hiccups away?
Sit up. Baby. You just grew into the seat, baby, and now you're stuck in it. Daddy gotta go to work.
Okay, bye-bye, Daddy. Oh, she doesn't think it's funny.
No?
No, that's not funny enough.
I would do that on her thighs, but she poo-poo today.
Yucky. Oh, no more hiccups. No more hiccups? Good job, Daddy.
Good job.
Good job.
Give me a big hug.
Good job, Daddy. No more hiccups. Okay, bye-bye, Daddy.